I'm Teacher Sophia, your online English teacher in Happyland Online Education. Have you ever been in a meeting or in a group project where everyone seems to be waiting for something to happen? That's where the expression to get the ball rolling comes in. It's an idiomatic expression used to describe starting something, initiating action, or getting things moving. Getting the ball rolling means taking the first step towards achieving a goal or completing a task. It can also mean initiating a conversation or discussion. For example, let's get the ball rolling on this project by scheduling a meeting. In this sense, getting the ball rolling implies a sense of urgency and momentum, as if you are pushing a hard object or a heavy object that requires a lot of effort to start moving. Here's an example sentence. We need to get the ball rolling on our marketing campaign if we want to meet our deadlines or sales targets for the next quarter. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where things seem stagnant or unproductive, remember to get the ball rolling and start taking action. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!